Hello everyone, welcome back to e-classes of Statistics Standard 11th. In this video, let's continue exercise 6.1, sum number 7. Let's read sum number 7. In how many ways 5 boys and 3 girls be arranged in a row such that all the boys are together? Now, there are 5 boys and 3 girls. We have to arrange in such a row that all the boys are together. Let's solve it. Now we have 5 boys and 3 girls. So, as we have to keep all the boys together, so if we arrange in such a way that all 5 boys are seated together on one bench in your classroom. Suppose boys are 5. So, if they are seated in one bench, and girls, for girls it is not said that they should be together. So we can arrange girls in such a way. So boys are seated on one bench, girls are seated on 3 different benches. So the counting of boys, for boys it will be 1 bench and for girls it will be 3 bench. So these are 4 persons, 4 benches, that will be 4p4. Another arrangement of boys can be done like, how can be boys arranged on a bench together? So, on one bench they are occupying 5 different places. So, there are 5 boys and 5 different places. So, 5 boys can be arranged in 5p5 way. So, 4p4 into 5p5. Let's solve it. So total permutation or total number of ways in which boys can be arranged together is 4p4 into 5p5. 4p4 is 4 factorial and 5p5 is 5 factorial. So the value of 4 factorial is 24 and 5 factorial's value is 120. So 24 multiplied by 120 is 2880. So 5 boys and 3 girls can be arranged in a row such that 5 boys are together in 2880 ways. Let's solve the next sum. So let's read sum number 8. There are 7 cages for 7 lions in a zoo. 3 cages out of 7 cages are so small that 3 out of 7 lions cannot fit in it. In how many ways can 7 lions be caged in 7 cages? So here you can see that we have 4 big cages and 3 small cages. So what is said in question, 3 cages are so small that 3 lions cannot be arranged in that. That means these 3 lions can be arranged in these 4 big cages. So to arrange 3 lions in 4 big cages, it will be 4p3. And now 3 lions are arranged, and now remaining we have 4 cages and 4 lions. So these are the 4 cages and remaining are 4 lions. So that can be arranged in 4p4 ways. So total number of ways in which 7 lions can be caged in 7 cages are 4p3 into 4p4. Let's solve it. So the total permutations of caging 7 lions in 7 cages will be 4p3 into 4p4. 4p3 is 4 into 3 into 2 and 4p4 is 4 factorial, which becomes 24 multiplied by 24, and that is 576. So 7 lions can be caged in 7 cages in 576 ways. So here we have completed sum number 7 and sum number 8. Go through the sums, revise it properly. Thank you.